Ladies and gentlemen, Greg McCloskey with a Forex quick look at not Forex but the S&P index. So let's take a look at it from a technical perspective. I'm going to focus this analysis on the hourly chart, and if you go back in time and you take a look at this yellow area right through here, it represented a number of different swing highs and then swing lows through here, here, and here before moving to the upside. And in trading last week, the low price came in right to the high or near the high of that swing area between 4325 and 4338, let's call it. And we saw a bounce higher. We gapped higher in trading here today, or moved higher in early trading. We've come off, but since trying to get back into positive territory here in the S&P. It's currently trading up around 7.48 points, or 0.17% at 4377.26. So we're above this swing area, and buyers are trying to take control going forward. If the price were to move below this level and then below the 38.2% retracement of the move higher from this low right here, which goes back to around the 13th of, I guess that's April, to the high price that we saw here in August. The breaking below that area, 38.2% with 4302, would open the door for further downside momentum in the S&P index. Now, what do we have to do on the top side to give the buyers more control? And what this black line represents is the 50-hour moving average. The 50-hour moving average held resistance in trading last week. We moved above it here and also above the 200-hour moving average. That's a green line in the chart here. The buyers had their shot to take the price higher, and I'm not surprised because we were bouncing off of this swing area through here at that time, and so it was looking like, well, perhaps we're going higher, but then boom, back to the downside, back to using the 50-bar moving average as resistance, back below this swing area, and then back to this other swing area down here. So buyers had their shot up here. They couldn't do it. They took the price back down. So the sellers are really more in control in the probably the short or intermediate term as well. Maybe not the long term, because the bias is still to the upside from the lows this year. But there is work to do if the buyers are to take more control in the short and intermediate term. Specifically, get above the 50-bar moving average, which currently is at 4427.80. Next, getting above this swing area between 4448.47 and 4458.48. And next, getting above this declining 100-hour moving average of 4468.11. That is moving lower. It's going to be into that yellow area in next day or so. So be aware of that. But off the lows right here, buyers can hope that we're going to go and start to retrace up that level. But those sellers who are looking for more downside, you have to make sure that the price stays below the 50-hour moving average. That would be the best case scenario going forward. And if you can get below this swing area here and the 38.2% retracement, things are looking even better for you. So there's a technical look at the S&P index. My name is Greg McCloskey. Good fortune with your trading. Bye-bye now.